Hi, this is János, it's Revered Audio, and here we are back again with Kintaro and Machiko, and I really have a long list of videos that I should have done in the last year and the previous year, and I have questions to answer. And one of these questions was from Marko from Slovenia, and he is building a pair of Voice of Lancelot speakers, and he had questions about the build. And he was asking firstly about the internal volume. So he did a calculation about the internal size with the sizes that I gave him, that it will be about 252 liters internal volume, but then it gets a lot less. And is he right with the measurements? Because I gave about 235 liters in my design, in my description, that it's the effective internal volume of the speakers, and he calculated 252. So is there something wrong? Does he need new measurements? And my answer is no. He is absolutely right. The net total volume will be about 252 liters. That's absolutely correct. And why is it less effectively? It's less effectively because we have the driver which is set behind the face panel. So the volume that the driver takes away, that's going to take away a lot of liters from the effective volume. Also, we have to subtract the volume that the port structure takes up, the volume that the internal structure takes up, and then you will have something about 235 liters effective volume remaining from that 252 liters. So Marko, your calculations are spot on, and you have everything right. Also, he asked what is the height of the port, and yes, it's 40 centimeters. And what is the height of the longer part of the port? And that's, I can't remember actually, but yes, it's around 90 centimeters. But what I can't remember, is it 91, 92, or how much? How you can calculate it easily is that when you look at the speakers, and let's say I put the cat food here. Imagine that this is the speaker cabinet, and here is the driver in the front where it says Machiko short tail. Imagine this is the driver, and that's the side. So here we would have that long part of the port. They see the cat food. And it reaches up to here, and the point that it reaches is where the distance between the front and the divider, this distance is the same as the distance from the back and the distance to the top. So this is at equidistant from these, and it will be about 90 centimeters long, but you can double check that you get it right when this distance is the same as this and the same as that. And we have a lot of activity. A lot of activity here. Look at that. I see. We are busted. We have two foodies here. So while they are munching, I can continue with the speaker build. So basically, Marko also asked about the cabinet material. Baltic birch will be absolutely fantastic for the cabinet build. So yes, go with Baltic birch. It's absolutely perfect. And you can choose either 12 or the 16 millimeter. Either one will be fine. I would go either one. 12, I think maybe you can try the 16 millimeter. Mine are done with the 12. I would say, like, look at the wood and look at the panels, inspect them, how do they look like, and choose the one that you feel Go with your gut feelings. They will be your best guide for this. What else? I'm trying to rack my brains. What else he asked me about the speakers. So basically that's it. And I think he has a few more things, but what I want to say is that my answer is okay and yes to everything. All of these questions. I had these that I was thinking of that needed clarification. So thank you everyone for tuning in, and thank you for my two look at that. I'm moving the food. I'm moving the food. I'm sorry, I should have put it this way. I didn't want this to be made into a free pet food commercial. No, it's not. Pretend you haven't seen the logo on the other side. Thank you for watching, and I have two hungry beasts here who want to be fed. And Machiko wants to be fed, and Kintaro as well. And you see, they are trying to figure out how to open the food. Yeah, and it might be something that's very easy for us, but for the cats is just as mysterious as designing a loudspeaker cabinet. So thank you everyone for tuning in, and Marko, have a wonderful time with your speaker build, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.